We need to stop getting this wrong in French. When do you use c'est and when do you use il est? A lot of French learners make this mistake. So this video is for all French beginners who are trying or who are confusing between c'est and il est. Let's get on to it. We know that most learners say c'est intelligent, which is wrong. You don't need to say c'est intelligent. It's very wrong. Or some say il est un professeur, which is equally wrong. But why is this the use of this wrong? Let's look at it. C'est versus il est. We know that c'est is followed by a noun. C'est plus non. Therefore, we're going to have c'est plus article plus non. So you can have article défini ou les articles indéfinis. So here we're going to use les articles indéfinis after that. Example, il est plus profession. Elle est plus nationality. Il est plus an adjective. We don't put any article before the profession. Or we don't put any article before the nationality. We don't also put any article before the adjective. So c'est, il is used to present somebody or to introduce somebody. Example, c'est ma sœur. Elle est professeure. It is my sister. She's a teacher. So we have the possessive adjective coming before sœur, the noun sœur, which means sister. C'est ma sœur, elle est professeur. Professor means a teacher. We don't have any article coming before the profession. Another example, c'est mon père, il est chanteur, il est français. It is my father, he is a singer, he is French. So we have c'est plus noun, c'est mon père, and the possessive adjective coming before it. Il est chanteur, he's a singer. We don't have any article coming before chanteur. Il est français, we don't have any article coming before the nationality français, he's French. C'est, the plural of c'est is ce sont, plus non pluriel. Ce sont mes parents, ils sont artistes. So when we use ce sont of pluriel, we're going to use also the noun in plural. I hope you understood this. So let's take a quiz. Complétez les phrases. Complétez les phrases. So choose the right option for the quiz. You have 5 seconds. Let me add you another 10 seconds to choose the right option. So for number 1, dash médecin. Will you use c'est or il est? Number 2, dash très intelligent. Will you use c'est or il est? And number 3, dash une bonne idée. Will you use c'est or il est? So in total, we have 6 questions. So let's look at number 4. Dash plus difficile à comprendre. Will you use c'est or il est? Number 5. Are you going to use c'est or il est? Mon professeur de français. Number 6. Are you going to use c'est or il est? Et voila! Now let me show you the answers. Mark your work and let me know what your score is out of 6. Here are the answers. Number 1, B. Number 2, B. Number 3, A. Number 4, A. Number 5, A. And number 6, A. Number 6B, sorry. So, if you doubt any answer, kindly chat me on the chat. Or if you have any question, write me a message. Au revoir.